This is the agent tool. This is where you will add, remove, or edit individual agents or employees. We'll start here on the left. Just like in your client tool, you have a checkbox here to view active or inactive agents. You'll uncheck this to see inactive agents, or check this to view your active agents. There's two ways of finding your agents here. Just like in the client tool, you can click on an agent to pull their information up, or you can search for them in the search bar here. To add a new agent, you're going to click this new agent button, and you'll see your fields are now blank. You'll fill them out appropriately. And if you'll notice on the bottom, you can specify what type of personnel that you're inputting, be it an employee, a contractor, salary, hourly, however you set this up. You can set up a zone, which is the area that they prefer to work in, for example. And the client, you can assign them to a client that you've previously created.